Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good.
So hi there, I thought I'd do a quick update on the bathroom. I've been busy skimming and it's starting to look a lot different. So this is the wall which had all the loose plaster that I used the penny washers to be able to stabilise it. So now, over skimming it, all the bounce has gone out of that wall and it's really solid. There was a huge bulge in the wall here. Now that bulge, there's still a little bit of a bulge, but it's massively improved over what it was. And then behind me, I've skimmed that wall this morning. Again, been quite a lot of build up. Because I'm fitting a shower tray, I need to have the corner of the wall square. So in the corner there, there's probably 30mm thick of plaster to get the wall square enough to be able to fit the shower tray. And so then, moving on, again, here we are going up the staircase. Now this staircase wall again was really bad plaster, but again being able to over skim it. It's had its mist coat and it's now looking a decent wall, just waiting for it to dry out up there. And again, top floor, you know, all these walls up here were really rough. That back wall, again, that's a lath and plaster wall that were really horrible and bouncy and bent all over the place. So again, fixed it with the washers, over skimmed it, it's looking good, and I've over skimmed the ceiling. Again, everything's now looking proper, how as it should do. So here in the kitchen, we've got the mood board that Claire from CMD Designs has been doing for the property. She's come up with quite a lot of ideas for all the different areas. So you can see here we've got the kitchen mood board, ideas for the clock, the brick wall, a little bit of artwork, design of the table, and then again up in the living room we've got the wallpaper, light fittings. So quite a lot of work has gone into deciding on the colours and everything we're going to use in the property to make things work. Now these are the cupboards, original cupboards, which are in good condition, but the styling is just a little bit old-fashioned. So again, to give it a more modern but still keep the cottage look, these units are all going to get new handles, and the doors, everything's going to get painted. I think it's going to be that colour, blue.